Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's presentation of the Greatest Showman Medley Part 1. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to play the introduction to the Greatest Showman, learn how to sing Rewrite the Stars and perform them both together. So let's get ready to sing and play, and we'll start by singing Rewrite the Stars.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world should be ours tonight.
We are now going to play some warm-ups on our violin to help us get ready to learn The Greatest Showman. Starting on the open A, I'd like you to try and copy back what I play at home. So I will play first and you copy back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your turn. I'm now going to add my first finger to make the note B. Try and copy back. 3, 4. Your turn. Now I'm going to add my third finger on the A string to make the note high D. Your turn. Try and practice that pattern at home if you can, starting on open A, first finger A, and then third finger on the A. Another exercise that you can try and play to help you learn The Greatest Showman is practicing going from first finger A to third finger on the A. So first finger A, and that makes the note B, to third finger to make the note high D. Why don't you pause the video now to practice these warm-ups? Well done. To play the violin 2 part for the introduction, we need to be able to play open A and first finger on the A to make the note B. And we're going to use this rhythm, I like cake. Why don't you say that now? I like cake. I'm going to play it on the open A first. 3, 4. I like cake. So between the word I and like, you're going to stop your bow between those two notes, and you can take a little breath if that helps. Have a listen again. I like cake. Try not to keep your bow moving between those two notes. This time we're going to add first finger on the A to make our note B, and then we go to open A and then back to B again. 3, 4. I like cake, and again, I like cake. Once you've got the hang of this, you can then add the stamps. 3, 4. I like cake. 1, 2, 3. I like cake. 1, 2, 3. Now we play that pattern 6 times for the introduction, and once we've done it on the last time, you will only stamp once at the end. Pause the video here to practice that introduction now. We are now going to play the introduction for violin 2 and sing Rewrite the Stars. So get your violin ready by placing your first finger and bow on the A string. done. Time for a challenge. Let's learn Violin 1, or stop here and come back another day. To learn the introduction for Violin 1, remember that we need to use notes open A, first finger on A for B, and third finger on the A for a high D. It's really helpful if you can sing the notes that you're playing first by using the fingers, saying 1, 3, 1, 0, 1. I'm going to sing it to help us learn it. 1, 3, 1, 0, 1. You may wish to try moving your fingers on your violin as you do this. 1, 3, 1, 0, 1. This time I'm going to play the pattern. 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 0, 1. Try and join in with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 0, 1. This time we're going to add in the stamps after we play. 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 0, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 0, 1. 1, 2, 3. We play this pattern 6 times, just like the violin 2 part, and after the 6th time you will only stamp once at the end. Pause the video here to practice this now. Well done. We are now going to play the introduction for Violin 1 and sing Rewrite the Stars. Don't forget to get your violin ready by placing your first finger and bow on the A string.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and look out for The Greatest Showman Part 2 coming soon.